That's okay,
And
that's okay. No need to pressurize yourself.
in physics, they are teaching motion.
Okay, absolutely right. So the book, the second chapter of the book is cell. So that will be there for your biology part, right? And as far as motion is concerned, I don't see it here. So what we do is, okay, we do have motion. So chapter 4 is motion. So this is, I think this is the book that they are going to follow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, right, Veda. So what we'll do is, since this is a demo session, right, we're going to take up one topic from science, which is which might be cell or motion, either of the two, and we're also going to take up one topic from mathematics, right? And then we'll be going ahead with both of them. We'll be devoting some time to both, right? That is how I plan to go about. Okay, all right. So, we'll go with the what? Cell or motion? What do you want to go ahead with?
Cell.
Cell? All right. Just give me a second. I'll just open the chapter. Till then, what you're going to do is you're going to tell me everything that you know about cells. No pressure. You just have to, in general, whatever is there in your head, because I want to keep it as interactive as possible. Just a rough idea, right? This is not a test, nothing at all. Right? Yes. Go ahead.
Cell definition is
Yes. No pressure at all. If at all you do have a rough idea, that's okay. If you do not, I'm right here to help you out with that.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah.
Cells are the tiny part of a body which makes up. They're a part of the body and they're known as the building blocks of life.
All right. Okay. Okay. Cool. That's it. Okay. So, have you ever seen a building? You've obviously seen a building, right? Right.
Yes.
What is a building made up of? The
Bricks.
bricks, right? So that is exactly the case with our body. So, for example, if our body is the building, right? How will that body be made? The
Cells.
the the fundamental or the most basic part of it would be a cell, right? It's only when the bricks are laid on top of one another, the cement is poured, that this building is made. Similarly, our body has the most basic unit that are these small little fundamental building blocks, the cells. Are you aware of how these cells look? Are you aware of that?
Yes, ma'am. Circuit shape.
Right. Yeah, I mean those are RBCs, red blood cells. But there can be numerous and different types of cells, right? As we go ahead, we learn about different types of cells.